Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your HTC, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And in the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option Reboot to Bootloader. And after that you will end up in the boot mode. Here in the boot mode you can use volume up to volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as Reboot, Reboot to Bootloader, Boot to Download mode, Boot to Recovery mode, and Power down. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option Reboot and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.